Hi guys, I'm Jerome Malubay. So this is my Toyota Fortuner sa 2014 model. So almost 12 years now. So sobrang okay. Tingnan mo pala, madudulas ng lamok. This one is after 1 or 2 years. So I got a free boosting of my coatings ko. Sobrang sulit. Okay, for the staff of the Auto Thrift, the best, Miss Joff, Bert, June, lahat sila okay dito. I've been their client for almost 5 years already. So lahat ng kotse namin, lahat dito na. Car wash, detailing, lahat dito. So hindi ako napupunta sa ibang mga car wash shop. Okay, for the feedback, I guess wala eh. Kasi almost perfect eh. Lahat, kahit anong ipagawa mo, they will do everything. Tapos, yung price nila is reasonable. So, hindi mahal, hindi mura, sakto sa bulsa. Of course, always.